Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop signboard. Gather a foam board, wooden dowel, paint, adhesive, and a printed template. Cut a clean circle, sand edges lightly, paint base colors, add lettering or graphics, attach the dowel with a strong adhesive and reinforce with tape, then seal with clear coat for weather resistance. This step-by-step method keeps the project simple and yields a bold, durable sign for events or displays. Start by tracing a circle using a compass or a round object to ensure symmetry, then cut with a new sharp craft blade while stabilizing the foam board. Sand the edges gently to smooth imperfections and apply a thin primer before painting to prevent paint absorption. Use light, even strokes for paint layers and allow drying between coats, which gives a cleaner finish and better adhesion for any lettering or decals you plan to add later. Choose bold fonts and high-contrast colors so your message reads clearly from a distance, then lay out lettering with stencils or printed guides. For a sturdy mount, glue the wooden dowel into place with a support block behind the sign and reinforce with duct tape or hot glue. Finish by applying a clear protective coat over the entire sign to lock in paint and shield it from fingerprints, humidity, and light wear during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.